This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing a trusted calculator hider that masquerades as a calculator. Give it storage, overlay, and accessibility permissions so it can manage icons and launch apps. These are essential. Next, create a strong PIN and enter a recovery email or code. This prevents permanent lockout. Once done, open the app settings and enable app hiding or vault mode so the tool is ready to import other apps immediately. Do not skip permission confirmation or recovery setup. Now import the apps you want to keep inside the calculator vault. Tap Add or Import, select each app, and confirm removal from the public launcher so they only appear inside the vault. Configure how you'll open them, PIN entry, secret gesture, or a calculator formula, so launching is quick and covert. Once configured, make sure auto backup is on and set a lock timeout. This balances convenience and safety while preventing accidental exposure when the device is unlocked. Finish by testing every hidden app. Open the calculator disguise, perform the unlock sequence, and confirm each app launches correctly. Then back up the vault settings to your cloud account or export an encrypted file so you can restore on reinstall. Make sure notifications for hidden apps are handled per your privacy needs. If something goes wrong, use the recovery email, PIN reset, or the app's safe mode restore. If all else fails, uninstall and reinstall following recovery instructions to regain access to your data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.